Guys, let's just unpack nansi indaba kaSisi lo ontshontshe i-content owami. I-podcast le yakhe wasebhizi nayo kakhulu futhi owami i-podcast. She's not that busy anymore with her first channel. Usisi nango sasemncane sentshontsha guys, like, how do you even get off? Mina I was like, ngeke guys. Ngeke. Ngibuza ukuthi ene uyithatha kanjani the whole video, guys. I mean, I don't know if you guys have seen my channel, how it is. Ngizonenzela nje example. Bona la ku-News Galo. Ke ukubona i-video mina, omunye umuntu o-News Galo. My reasons being, uyabona my other channel, what's the tea siyahlaziya. Sorry guys, I have i-flu ne. Yo phela asiphumuli. Trying to make our lives better, basically. So I was still explaining to you my what's the tea siyahlaziya channel before News Galo. Phela la ku-News Galo, I'm still not even paid. What's the tea, guys? I've just been paid now in March. My first payment was in March. The reason being, I was demonetized from April last year until uzuthi emhlabeni sibekezela kanjani to change our lives. Bathi ngisebenzisa i-content. Ngibuza ukuthi i-content yakhona yiphi. The content was ngisebenzisa ama-video. Lawo ma-video, yabona the sense of me trial, I'll just take like a clip encane. You know, can be like the most important thing that they said in court proceedings on the day, and then I'll just put it. What's I get demonetized? Guys, I cried like a baby. Cried like you've never seen. For months. Nabe YouTube bengibhalela bathi ungapheli inhliziyo. Keep posting. And I did exactly that. Plus mina nginenhliziyo endeke. Angiyona le type level nje ilahlele phansi and be like, I'm done. I'm giving up. No. Posted every day, Rafael. My song posting what's the team. Mhlambe about 2 days at the most, you know. I posted and posted. Oh, in Feb, on the 25th of Feb, available email about it. You are monetized from today. Yes, it's gonna post manje twice a day. I was just like, what? After I've waited so long, may check it channel and may check and those are the videos. So if you've noticed me, I guess no mistake of even talking over videos, because someone even said at some stage during that situation yami yokudemonetize wathi ubuvila nje le nto eniyenzayo nothathana nama-video ase wona lawa sezomeye on the proceedings, thatha nama-video uwafake la indaba yona ongakhulumi. I was just like, why? And mina-ke what was crazy was that normally noma ngifake i-clip mina yasenzomeyiwa kuba like not even 3 minutes of what was said, mhlambe 3 to 5 minutes. Angiyenzi leyo yinto ngaphuma ngaphela lapho. I was like, kusho ukuthi this is why bethi untshontshana nama-content abantu into ey'kanjalo. And mina, like I'm saying, it wasn't even a lot. It wasn't even that serious. This is why my heart was so sore. I was like, I'm talking over these videos. Actually, maybe a 13 minutes video, 11 minutes ikhulume mina. Like, what's going on? My heart, guys. So, ngifuna ukunitshela nenisafuna ukuza ku-YouTube ungalingi uyenze leyo nto. Yabona njengoba ngibona mina ngikhuluma nje, there's a reason. Ngiphuma khona. Angicabangi, but obviously I was making an example. Angifani no-sisters loku TikTok sasemncane kabi for lezi zinto bevela athathe i-video umuntu bathi ususila i-video owami after she was called out ukuthi hey sisi ngizokudonsa mina, I will drag you to field, take out my video lapho ngangihlanyela and then owami went on to say ukuthi yazilalela ngisebenza kanzima kabi ngalama video. This channel actually is costing me a lot le podcast course. What happens is that ngine studio Bryanston pali malini studio sase Bryanston, the lighting there, the camera, yay, the setup basically, and those nice chairs that you see on podcasts. She was like, I mean, I'm from Tangjwaele. And the guys, remember I said in a video a month ago, we were saying, any kind of game, you know, go ba owami yasuwana. Remember, I even made an example ukuthi owami if angathumela usisi wakhe ukuthi ayosuwa ubaba wabo kuba ubaba wabo didn't support them as children. yena usukuna 28 manje. Wathi hamba umsuku akhokhe yonke leyo maintenance yango 1912 ayikweletayo. So yes guys, you can't. Mina I'm teaching you. Uze la mawufuna ukwazi go YouTube ukuthi thina some of us siphuma apha. Uhambe futhi ku What's the Tea uyobuka ama video ami ngikhuluma ngokuthi I was demonetized by YouTube. Ngiyazi kahle leyo life. Wabona umsebenzi wawunyaka upost. I even have another channel now that's 3 years that hasn't even paid me. But every day, actually that one is like my lifestyle channel. It's my life basically. So we post that twice a week, Monday and Thursdays. Guys, YouTube has a lot of things going on. Once you want about 50,000 YouTube. Yes. But sevens are like you've never seen. And most of them are like full-time content creators. Since 9 to 5. Apple, we've got other businesses before joining YouTube or network marketing or inuka stuff that's happening. I mean, I've been vocal about it. Like YouTube, I have to work 70 times because I'm also, besides my own biological child, I'm also raising 2 other children. That's a swam who passed on at 28. Leaving us with a 6-year-old and a 10-year-old. A 10-year-old is the 3rd year manje university la UP. Bese ukuthi I 6-year-old iyenza matric they say. So yabona ukuthi ngithwele I've got a lot. It's not even ukuthi ifanele ngenze kanjani. So it's a lot. Buka khona basenze ngepersonal flow. Ngoba siyasebenza siyazihamba le life. Wena ufike utshontshe into zabantu. Hlukanani nokuntshontsha. Like, why would you take... But those podcasts are so long. Like, why would I take them? Who even does that? But I was like, she's still learning. And nakhona ke umuhleke owami nami ke ngimhleka niye kwenye video yami futhi ekhuluma ngeTikTok ukuthi uSoli the communications minister said usasikhulumela kuTikTok oqala scroll thina kuTikTok. That's why I don't have a TikTok. To this day, I keep on saying this week I'm gonna do it. This week I'm going to open an account. I actually took it out twice. Yeah, I can't do TikTok in my life. Villaging uninstall because I'm just like, what's there? There's nothing there. Fine, just as much as in Nalamanya businesses and network marketing, I could have advertised them on TikTok. I always think about this. I'm just like, I'm late. Am I late? I'm like, no, I'm not late. Use the TikTok when I want to. And message Usolu ukuthi no, he actually spoke for us in Davos in Switzerland ukuthi please inkosi yami, South Africans are like the best. 17 million in TikTok, but okay, what's up with that? And amapiano now is okubali. South Africans taught you about amapiano. You didn't know about them in the US or in London or wherever for that matter, but you didn't know about them. And then manfundisa ngawo. And then the next thing, you don't pay them. You actually don't pay Africans, and the South Africans are actually the best in TikTok. So I was like, what? I'm saying so if you like TikTok. But guys, TikTok doesn't pay. You go to how's it handy? I mean, that's just my thing. You don't love yourself. But sister silly ama video ka uhambatha kenzo ohambe kuphela uthatha into zabantu. Guys, indaba ungayijayiveli endlini uyihlanyisa. Bese uphuma ku TikTok kunokuthi utshotshana nento zabantu, like it's so degrading and frustrating into kanjalo. Like wami was so angry. Oh my gosh, I was just like lalela ke lo angamazi wami yazi akamazi yo uqala umuntu wrong. Vele ngasho njalo ngathi nangilosisi lo eqala into engakaza kwazi ukuyiqeda. Bathi by the time sekiwa ku TikTok sekuthiwa kuyobhekwa usisi useyakhiphile ama video ka owami. Like I'm saying, she's not doing this. Kuyena kuphela uthatha nawo abanye abantu bathi nje uphila le life. Like what kind of a life is that even? Like who would you do that to yourself? Enza ama video akho nizwileke lesson la. I had to make an example using me, and mina ikho entertain engangiyenzile for that matter. Ganga judge anything anyone. Since that day mina ke kuzobona mina clip video la. I want and ikhona amanye ama video ne YouTube. That's why ngithi at times angazi ukuthi basebenza kanjani. Khona amanye ama video abangazange bazibakhipha. If you go to my channel What's the Tea uzobona umushe lapho uyadansa benosomizi basakhona. Ivideo khona futhi 4,000 manje by now. Yeah, 2023 lo video badansa on top of some car. It's a video ngayithathe somewhere else. But so uyabona ukuthi ngeke uzubazi. So just so that your life is clean and videos are clean. You know, at the time they demonetized me on YouTube, I had about 715 videos. I deleted about 200. Mostly ezasenzo meyiwa, because at the time angithi manje sengishintshile on News Galore just for celebrities and your reality shows, and then what's the thing awushiya nje waba just for crime only, mostly doing usenzo meyiwa kakhulu, but I do other things there. Oh, it's just like mina yazi uyangiconfuse ngempela u-YouTube ukuthi iyiphi ke then i-content yomuntu. So mina, if you've noticed, ngisebenzisa ivoice yami to talk on my videos. I don't landa izinto zabantu nama-video abantu engizowafaka la. Just nje do your research on this channel and you'll see. Ngobani uzokwenza izinto eyi-wrong ngeke uzuwazi. I was still saying ukuthi on What's the Tea siyahlaziya by other channel. Asakhona ama-video asenzo meyiwa amanye where mhlambe a judge will be talking, or those defense people or Mshololo and them will be talking. I never took them out, but so accepted YouTube. So uyabona ukuthi kasabesi ngeke uzowazi ukuthi bazo-acceptani, ngeke bazi ba-accepte ini. Just as much as I was talking over those videos, I would put a clip here 3 minutes and talk over those videos, but I know yenye content yakwenye indawo le ngeke uzokwazi or yomuntu. Mina I stopped, guys. Angifuni izinto nje ezizongixakekisa, ngaxakeka kakhulu ka-YouTube. I went through the most, basically. I was just like, guys, ka-YouTube kanti ukuthi uzukhokhele fanele uhlukumezeke kanje ngami? Is there anything like this, mara? Hayi ngahlukumezeka, shem, I don't want to lie. And then News Galore is just about to be paid. They've just been reviewing it. By the way, I have 4 channels, just about to open a 5th one. The business, basically. It's going to be called Pamela Make on Business. Ikhuluma nje about all the businesses that I do. I think by June I should have it. And then I just tell you, man, what I've been through when it comes to businesses. Anything that I have, whether it's Inuka, whether it's Forex or whatever, like anything that I'm busy with, I'll just tell you there on Pamela Make on Business. So watch out for the channel the next 2 months. I haven't decided what day I'm going to open it. I wanted to wait for News Galore to pay me. So they've been reviewing the channel. I'm waiting. So le channel uyibuke kahle, akho video umuntu la. Khuluma mina. Cause ngabona ngathi lalela. I don't want problems with anyone. And I get what the guy was saying last year. Ethi nje yazi nje YouTubers amavili. Ambe umuntu ehambe esukelana nama-video abantu abathatha afakela. I was just like, what? Vele mina I wasn't even that person as such, but I was demonetized. It's crazy. Cabanga ke usuntshontshileke, wantshontsha into ka-Owami, ungitshontsha nje, guys, akukho right. Wayifaka ku-TikTok into engakhokhi? Ngeke mina. I'll never. And people can't believe it. Anginawo TikTok. They're like, wena? I'm like, mina. Anginawo TikTok, man. There was nothing for me with TikTok. But soon I'm gonna hlanganisa it and be okay with myself. Usolima ithi sesiyakhokha, sengifikile nami. Ngime emnyango for the payment. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.